Now, I know at that time I didn't have teens who needed these resources. But going to youth homeless shelters, I found out that they hosted holiday parties. And some of them had dinner, Friday dinners for youth. And so I was able to take our youth and I was able to show them a new perspective. And they were able to meet students their age and teens their age. And then those teens would hear about us. So part of the Let Them Know We're Here campaign was to partner in events in the community that were also going on. So National Hispanic Day, Cesar Chavez Day, but one of the events that I hosted 3 events, and one of them was Gobble Till You Wobble. With the help of our network, by partnering with organizations in the community and other teens, we gathered gift bags. The gift bags had toiletries, raffle tickets, and we raffled bus tickets and all kinds of gifts through the night. With the help of congregation and other fans of young people, we gathered turkeys, side meals, really cool stuff. And we reached out to the youth homeless shelter and other places that work with teens in the streets, and we gave them an open invitation. So we hosted even a drag show, PG-13, and this was a wonderful night where we were just able to bring kids to just have fun. We also provided a comprehensive list of local resources and services outside of our place that included phone numbers and other national hotlines. All this information was also posted outside our youth room, just in case, right? One of my favorite yearly events that we held was a teen prom. At this event, we created a place for teens to arrive early, and with the help of our network and calling some friends of mine, we had people doing hair, makeup, nails. We also had people donate dress, shirts, cool stuff that kids could have. And on that night, for those who couldn't afford a prom, got to go to a prom with their date. And it was a wonderful evening, a safe place for all, right? In the summer, we hosted a teen pride outside. And we even had a stage for teens to come perform. We had all kinds of activities. And I asked the Latino parents, please help me do some loteria, some water of horchata, some cool stuff. I want everybody in the neighborhood to know we're here, right? And everybody who came felt they were seen. So here's the deal. In everything we do, we must be careful that we have the best interest of these teens we serve in mind. And so therefore, any volunteers who joined us at the event, their organizations partner with us and they provided information, a copy of their names and a current background check. So that is important to keep in mind.